Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here at crypto.com in VVS Finance and we're doing an ARGO update. So if you caught my video yesterday, I staked some XVVS for ARGO and you can see here that it's still earning strong. 141%, still a good deal. Quite a bit of XVVS staked, 22.5 billion. That's a lot. But here's the interesting thing. ARGO debuted the other day in the IGO here at VVS Finance. And if you got the opportunity to participate, you bought it at 5 cents a piece, plus maybe a fee. And now, according to this, it looks like I've earned 15 ARGO, which equivalates to 32 cents. Which means they're worth about 2 cents a piece. So, in my head calculation that I just did, that's more than a 50% drop since the IGO a few days ago. Not even that long ago. So, you guys are down over 60% in just less than a week. That sucks. Alright, VVS Finance is not doing well with the IGOs. We got VVS is down. We got the single token was up initially, but now it's down. And then we have ARGO is down. So unless this track record improves, it doesn't look good for VVS. Tell me what you guys think. I was reading some comments on Reddit, and I was like, oh man, here we go again with the VVS people losing their shirts. And that's kind of where I didn't want to go. I didn't want to participate in this ARGO coin. Hopefully you guys stay tuned and you subscribe to my channel if not, do it now. And hopefully you saved yourself that pain like I did. But I'm here staked now. I'm not sure how much more value it's going to lose, but it could. But I'm getting free ARGO right now, pretty much. Because this XVVS was just laying around. Sort of. Alright guys, tell me what you guys think. I'm still bullish on crypto overall. But we can see that we are down substantially. If we look at the Crow, we're down to 35 cents. We were dipping even lower into 34 range. But it looks like we're starting to come out. Hopefully that's a permanent thing and we're going to be going higher. Obviously, Bitcoin has dipped as well. Picked up some more Bitcoin right here. Actually, it was about 38 that I picked it up. And I was like, okay, I think this is probably a really good level. So, I think it's going to go higher. We'll see. It's been in kind of a range for the last little while, you can see. It's between 37 and 40 something, 42, 43. You can see it's kind of been just dipping in the range. So buy the dips. That's what I've been doing, stacking it up. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. At least until Bitcoin reaches 1 million, that's where we're going. Thanks for watching.